out to the lobby exit, as well as your nearest emergency exit. Thank you. Good evening, and welcome to the world-famous Birdcage Theater. In 1980, with Knott Scary Farm cementing itself as the biggest Halloween event in the world, this very theater was brought to eerie life with the first production of The Curse of Dr. Cleaver. Since then, Dr. Cleaver has been in jail, ran for president, and even died. Tonight, in honor of Knott Scary Farm's 50th anniversary, we are proud to return Dr. Cleaver to the stage in an all-new production sure to dazzle dozens right here in Ghost Town. Ladies and gentlemen, please enjoy Dr. Cleaver Returns!
Oh my goodness, Wolfgang. Halloween is just so much fun. Excuse me, right.
What have you been doing, Doctor?
Oh, I was out trick-or-treating, Wolfgang.
Oh, how'd you do?
Let's see, I got a Snickers bar, some M&Ms, oh, and I got some watermelon sugar from that handsome Harry Styles down the street. What did you get?
I got Harry Styles! Oh, Master, look, I've Wednesday Addams.
Wolfgang, you should put that away. I told you not to play with your food.
Sorry. Oh, Doctor, something came to you today. Look.
For me? Whatever could it be, Wolfgang?
I don't know, Doctor. Open it's from your cousin Seymour. Here's how to kill you.
Thank you.
Madam Doctor is now restored.
Sorry, and upside down.
To my dear cousin the doctor. Here's something I think you'll really enjoy. Have fun with it. I know you will. Signed, Seymour. P.S. Beware of the spell!
Wolfgang, remove the sheet!
Remove the sheet!
No more. Wolfgang, do you know what this is?
That's a finger!
No. This is the Cabinet of Calico.
The cabinet of calico?
Yes, you see, Wolfgang, this very cabinet passes on to its owner a great mystical power. Now that it's in my possession, I shall finally be able to rule the world. But, and this is a big but.
Oh, I like big butts. And I cannot die.
Would you get up? Wolfgang, where are your brains?
Right here, Doctor. I give them when most men keep them.
Please, put that away. Put that away, jeez. But I must be very careful, because in order to harness this great mystical power, I must first break the spell! And in order to do that, Wolfgang, we must perform a sacrifice.
A sacrifice.
And to do that, we need a virgin.
Not in this crowd, you ain't. Maybe a Noah, but not playing a part. No.
This is no time to be picky, Wolfgang. I'll take whatever walks in the door.
What an incredible dog, Doctor.
Oh, why, thank you, Wolfgang. I mean, that's the door.
Who can it be this late hour?
I don't know, but I have a hunch.
So do I. Little cheat.
No, nobody must see the cabinet. Quick, Wolfgang, throw the sheet over the cabinet. You're an idiot.
Come in.
Cleaver! What can I do to you? I mean, on you. For you! Sorry.
I'm Lenore Delecti. I just moved in next door.
Hello, neighbor! I think my property value just went up.
Oh, tell me about it. I'm going to need a condom.
I'm hosting a little Halloween party, and I wanted to send you a personal invite.
Oh, well, we'd love to attend your spooky soiree. Matter of fact, perhaps we could provide some entertainment for your little party. You see, we were just rehearsing our act. Yes, because I'm a magician, and tonight I shall magish for you.
And I'm a wizard. And tonight, I shall whiz for you. Oh, that didn't come up right.
Wait, is this one of those big magic trick cabinet things?
Yes, it's a magic trick, and well, perhaps you would like to be our assistant.
Oh, I don't know. It looks dangerous.
This is merely an illusion.
Oh, an illusion.
An illusion.
Yes, allow me to demonstrate. See, you simply get into this door right over here. You stick your hand out through here so we know that you're safe, and then I use this apparatus to penetrate you.
That hurts.
That's the way I do it.
Actually, it looks pretty small. I doubt I've seen it.
Oh, that's what she said! No, Master, that's what she said.
It was nice. Oh, Mr. Lecter, once inside the cabinet, you simply slip out through the back door. Nobody sees you leave. It's an illusion. You get the idea.
I need to be very careful. You see, I too know about the spell!
That was funky. Wolfgang, did you do that?
No, not me, Master. You don't think it might be her?
Oh, looks like fun. I'll assist you, Dr. Cleaver.
Oh, that's the spirit. Now,
In order to be the hands! Dr. Cleaver! What? In order to release the power contained in the cabinet of Calico, you must break the spell! I said we must break the spell! Last year, too.
I guess the tech's sleeping. Okay, let's move on. That's what I planned. Oh my God! Don't stop worrying with the tech. Oh, we get the clues right, man. Sorry. It's not his fault. It's his first night. Well, we got him from a picket line over at medieval times. It's a long story. That's precisely what I plan on doing, Wolfgang. I'm going to lock her in the cabinet and sacrifice her, thus breaking the spell. Wow! Kobe, stop! Don't try it. Thank you. Hey, you're doing great, kid. Thank you. Oh, Mr. Lecter, it's magic time! Now be prepared to witness my amazing magical skills.
He's already made 15 minutes of your life. Disappear!
Okay. Now, Mr. Lecter, so go ahead and lower yourself.
Oh, I've already lowered myself by being in the show.
Thank you for that.
Oh, it's so tight.
That's what she said.
Okay, fine. Now go ahead and put your hands in here so we know that it's safe. Perfect. This flap goes down like this. Climb the phone. Now, are you safe and secure, Mr. Lecter?
Oh, yes, Doctor.
Oh, good. This is it, Wolfgang. This is it. It's time to sacrifice Mr. Lecter! Get them up, ready, Wolfgang. Get them up. Blood everywhere. Yeah. Quickly, Wolfgang. The door. Don't hold back, Wolfgang. Really? You're good. don't see her body anywhere, do you?
No, Master. I think she's ghosted us.
Oh my goodness. Every time I put my sword at the woman, she vanishes, Wolfgang. I don't understand. Wait, thank you. We performed the ultimate sacrifice, but I don't feel any different. I don't feel all powerful.
Well, Master, maybe we have to. Oh, complete the ritual first.
Of course, complete the ritual. Now, once and for all, Wolfgang, it's time to break the. Oh God, I gotta say it again. Get your lantern ready. Everyone watching at home, there you go. Here, watch this. Here, look at this lantern. Ready? The spell! Oh, yeah! Oh, look at that. Hold up. Yeah, totally necessary.
She's by your
Okay, now let's do this. Here, perfect. Yeah, still strong. All right. Now be very careful. Wolfgang, we're going to use these for years. Good. Now to take care of the apparatus here. That's for you. Take a check.
Mess up.
All right. Well, I guess the only thing left to do now is to let night before she starts funking up. Mr. Lexstein!
Dr. Cleaver!
Oh my God, she's alive! It's impossible! She must have broken the spell and harnessed all the power.
How dare you try and sacrifice me? Yes, I am the most powerful being on the planet, and I will put a stop to this nonsense once and for all. I hope you enjoyed your little crappy wannabe magic show, because it's going to be your last.
We're back this coming Wednesday.
Oh my God, shut up!
Mr. Lexstein, please have mercy.
Oh, look, you have a lollipop there.
I'm just a pawn in this game of life. It's Wolfgang. He's the real mastermind. Always has been.
Me?
Yes.
I mean, yes, I'm the real mastermind. Oh, yes, I'm the mastermind, I'm the master chief, and I'm the master painter. And I like to be alone with my thoughts.
I am sending you where all the universe's hardened criminals go.
Oh God! We're going to Universal Studios!
Oh, no, not horror night.
Oh, yes, horror nights.
Oh.
Time to take out the trash. Something to suck, my favorite. Happy Halloween, everyone.
Welcome to Halloween Horror Nights, where our slogan is, see you in the fog. Which is weird because we don't really use fog. Yeah. And we stole that slogan from Not Scary Fog. Boy, do we suck. Yes, do you remember what we got? Yeah, Spark and Curious George. Oh, yeah. Hugged him right in his ass. Ooh.
You're still here?